From display names and login help to search filters and reader options, MackinVIA comes ready to use, but gives you plenty of ways to tailor the experience for your school or library. To get started, open the Settings menu and select General Settings. In the Information pane, you can manage your account basics, customize your MackinVIA name and school name, set generic login credentials, and add a login hint for students who may enter the wrong information. You'll also find your account's embed widget, which you can copy if you'd like to feature MackinVIA on your school's website, as well as your MackinVIA account ID, referring URL, and the date the account was created. Helpful information if you ever need support. If you make any changes here, be sure to click Save before moving on. Next, open the Display Options pane to customize the look and feel of your MackinVIA. Start by choosing the landing page students see when they log in. For younger students, categories or all resources often work best. For older students, the home page is a great option with carousels that highlight featured content. Just make sure the home page is set to active if you choose it. From here, you can also manage the ratings feature. Active, if you'd like students to be able to rate resources from 1 to 5 stars. Inactive, if you prefer not to include this option. You can also choose whether or not to activate the Assignments feature for your school. Select Theme Colors and add custom text to display at the top of each page. This is also where you set the defaults for how you want your resources displayed. The default language, English, Spanish, or French. How many resources appear on the screen. Whether the resources display in list view or tile view. How resources are sorted. And how groups are displayed. The other options will also be available to your students. These are just the defaults they will start out with. Don't forget to click Save before moving on. Every MackinVIA account includes a standard set of advanced search filters. In the Search Options pane, you can choose which filters are available to your MackinVIA users. Here you can turn on or off level filters, such as interest level, grade level, Lexile, and Fontes and Pinnell, reading program filters, including Accelerated Reader and Guided Reading, and other resource feature filters like Fiction, Nonfiction, Reflowable, Interactive, Read-alongs, and others. If you turn on Deep Discovery Search, your students can search across participating databases all at once. It's a powerful tool for research and can save valuable time. If your MackinVIA includes Britannica School Edition, this is where you select the appropriate learning level. Be sure to click Save to apply any updates. Next, open the Resource Types pane to manage the different types of resources in your collection. Here you can customize resource names. For example, you might want to change links to websites if that feels more familiar to your students. The display name is what users see throughout MackinVIA, while the singular label appears in tooltips when they hover over an icon. You can also adjust the default sort order for resources. To reset everything back to the original names, just restore defaults. If you make any changes, be sure to save. In the Reader Options pane, you can fine-tune the reading experience. Choose the dictionary that best matches your students' reading levels. And turn on or off push notifications. These send an email alert to students when a requested resource becomes available or when an assignment begins. As always, if you make any changes here, click Save before moving on. In the Logo pane, you can upload a school or library logo to add a personal touch. The logo can appear on its own or alongside the custom text you set in the Display Options pane. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, General Settings lets you create a MackinVIA experience that reflects your school community, supports student success, and keeps everything easy to use.